Welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're diving in to show you how to buy Pepe Coin with Coinbase Wallet. As always, before we jump into the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 10,000 followers. It would mean the world if you subscribed, and hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified every time we drop a new video. We're dropping a video pretty much every single day on the channel, so you're going to want to stay updated so you can get notified when those videos drop in order to hit your crypto goals. So jumping in to show you exactly how to buy Pepe Coin on Coinbase Wallet, the first thing to know and understand is that Coinbase Wallet is not the same as Coinbase Exchange. So while you may already have a Coinbase Exchange account, you will need to purchase Pepe using the Coinbase Wallet, which is different, because if we search for Pepe here on Coinbase, the exchange, you will see that it prompts you to buy it with the Coinbase Wallet because it is not a token that is natively supported on the Coinbase centralized exchange. So what you want to do is come over to coinbase.com/wallet, and you're going to want to download that wallet for iOS or Android, or add it to your Google Chrome browser or Brave browser. So you can download it for your mobile device, or you can add it to your browser. In this example, we're going to be looking at it in the browser because we've already got our Coinbase Wallet added here. So if you click on download for Chrome, you're going to want to click on add to Chrome button here. It's going to add it to your Chrome browser up here, and the first time you install it, you're going to need to set up a 12-word seed phrase. Write down that seed phrase on a piece of paper, back it up. Do not share it with anyone. You will need that seed phrase to access your wallet in future. If you lose it, you will never be able to access your wallet or those funds ever again. Very important note. So you're going to want to do that. So do that the first time you set up the wallet. And once you create your wallet, back up your seed phrase, create a wallet password, you're going to have a Coinbase wallet here in your browser, and it's going to look exactly like this. The next thing you need to do is actually fund it with some cryptocurrency. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Coinbase exchange or a different exchange or a different wallet and send funds into your Coinbase wallet. So again, if you click on the receive button, you can copy your wallet address. You can use the Ethereum chain, the Base chain, the AVAX chain, BNB or Polygon, along with a bunch of these other networks in order to transfer funds into your Coinbase wallet. But obviously that is also a prerequisite here for this tutorial, because we're going to be using a decentralized exchange like Uniswap in order to purchase the Pepe coin. So you need to fund your wallet with some Ethereum or with a different token, whether it's AVAX, Polygon, BNB, etc. Doesn't really matter what you add here. You're going to be able to use the DEX to swap that for Pepe, as we're about to show you. So once you've added the funds into your wallet, you can see here that we've got a few different tokens to play around with. We're going to be using Ethereum here as an example, and you're going to want to go over to the Uniswap decentralized exchange. So you're going to want to come to app.uniswap.org, and the first thing you need to do here is connect your wallet. You're going to see this big button to connect, or you're going to want to connect it up here in the top right corner. If we click on connect, you can see we've got a few different options of different wallets to connect. Because this tutorial is all about Coinbase Wallet, we're going to connect to our Coinbase Wallet, and we're basically granting the Uniswap DEX to access our Coinbase Wallet via a smart contract when we click this connect button. So now that our wallet is connected, we can see that Uniswap can now read and understand all the tokens that we have in our wallet. So if we want to purchase Pepe Coin with our Coinbase Wallet, what we want to do is we also want to select the network that we're using. And the Pepe Coin is available on the Ethereum ERC20 network, and therefore we're going to be using the Ethereum network here in order to purchase Pepe. So we're connected to the Ethereum network. We've got our wallet connected. The next thing we need to do is say that we're going to swap this $5 worth of Ethereum for Pepe, and we need to select the Pepe token. So if we type in Pepe, you'll see that we actually get a whole bunch of different results. And the best thing you can do here is actually come over to Coinmarketcap and search for Pepe here in the search bar and open up the Pepe token. This is the official Pepe token. It's the 31st largest cryptocurrency by market cap. We click this option here, and what you want to do is come over to the Ethereum contract address. because this is the official token address for the Pepe coin. As we can see, this is the official token. It's the one that actually has the 3.4 billion market cap. So we copy the token address and we come back over to Uniswap, and by selecting the select token dropdown, we paste in the contract address. This means that we're definitely 100% correctly selecting the official Pepe token, because as you saw earlier, when we simply type in Pepe, there's at least 10 or 15 different results that we could choose from. So we're going to type in the token address, select Pepe, and now we know we're buying the correct Pepe token, because yes, there are copies, there are scams, there are frauds, so you want to make sure you're selecting the correct option. The next thing we're going to do here is we're going to use our Ethereum balance to purchase some Pepe tokens. So let's say we're going to purchase about $3.67 worth of Pepe tokens, which is equal to about 446,561 Pepe tokens. You can see that we've got the swap set up. We can see that there are some high network costs associated with that, so it may actually not get pushed through. So let's go something even lower and just purchase, well, let's say $1.53. We'll see if this gets pushed through. What we then do is we click on swap, we click on confirm swap. It's going to open up our Coinbase wallet. It's going to show us the estimated network fee, and again, it's showing us we don't have enough Ethereum in our wallet, and that is because the network fees on Ethereum get extortionately high when people are using the particular chain. So again, let's make this number even smaller. We'll select the swap. It's still not letting us because we've got so little funds in our account, but basically this is how you would do it. You would obviously need to make sure you've got enough Ethereum in your wallet. If we actually come back over to Coinbase Wallet, to the Coinbase exchange, we can actually send a little bit more funds into our Ethereum wallet, and you could actually make sure that you've got enough funds in your Ethereum Coinbase wallet in order to make that exchange. But you can see here that it clearly does show us very high gas fees when using the Ethereum network. So you want to make sure that you're actually purchasing enough Pepe coins to make sure that the transaction is actually worth processing, because you're going to be getting hit with those higher network costs and network fees when using the Ethereum main net. Again, this is why we've got such good solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, and Base, which all have much cheaper transaction fees. However, Pepe is not available on those chains. It may be available on BNB, I'm not actually sure, but I don't think so. This is probably a wrapped version of Pepe. So again, let the buyer beware. Make sure you've got enough Ethereum in your wallet, but you can come over here, copy the correct contract address from Coinmarketcap, enter it in here in Uniswap, and then make sure that you're selecting the correct Pepe token, enter the amount of tokens you want to purchase, select the swap option, confirm swap. It's going to basically prompt you to confirm the transaction using your Coinbase wallet. You will click on confirm, it will execute the swap, and then the Pepe tokens will be added into your wallet, just like we have Bread Ethereum in our wallet here already. So that is a very quick tutorial on how you can buy Pepe Coin with the Coinbase wallet. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button on your way out. Hit the subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 10,000 followers. It would mean the world if you subscribed, and hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified every time we drop a new video. We've got multiple videos coming every single week, and you're going to want to get notified so you can stay on top of the rapidly evolving crypto landscape and hit your crypto goals. As always, we'll catch you in the next one.